Good day, students. In today's class we're going to be working through some class lessons. So the first thing you need to do is you'll need to go to class lessons. Okay, you'll notice if we go to semester 1, I've made a lot more content available. So this is all regarding sites for the next couple of weeks. But in essence, if we go to week 3, this is what we're going to be doing in class. I would like all of you to go and try and re-establish a lot of your work that you've done in Forma. This video will guide you and help you do that. I provided you links to all the library and the information that we're going to be using in this workshop. Okay, this is what we're going to be covering today. So we're going to use this video, so Revit Topo Solid Workshop. So that's what we're going to be covering today. And then I want you to work through these videos as well. So this is a complete guide on how to put a site plan together. Okay, all right, so I've given you guys all the GIS information, images, but in class, please ask questions. I'll need to refine this data if required, but please let me know so that I can assist you. So please work through this information, okay? Please note in Teams, I provided the same information. Okay, so if we go to Teams, if we go to Files, you'll notice that you've got the BIM library, so you can access all of that information here. This project data, I've also re-established this link, so you should be able to go and get the information from here as well, but I have put it in the file section. So BIM library, I've created some links where you can learn Revit, so this will also guide you. I'll need to update this. Just remember, you can follow my lessons, but this will be updated shortly. I've introduced Autodesk Forma as well. So if we go to the file section as well, you'll find that I've given you a lot of information as well. So third year documentation, BIM libraries, same link, but you can use the tabs to access the information. We'll also be creating a folder where you're going to dump all of your files eventually, but for today I just want you to get cracking. I'll start sharing out that information and start giving you access to another folder location where you're going to start working from. Okay, so this is important so that we can access your files to help you. Okay, alright, so in Teams, just remember in the support, please guys, any questions, any things that you're concerned about, please, you can start using this. You can take screenshots of what's going on your computer. If you need help, my class assistants will all be in this team platform as well, assisting you as well, so they can get a good idea of what's going on. And I'll introduce you to the class assistants today. Okay, I hope this introduction proves handy for today's class, and yeah, I look forward to the workshop today. Thank you.